So now that we've got that on there, we want to make sure and press it all the way around the edge to make sure that it's nice and secure before we start throwing. So just slowly spin your wheel and press down to broaden that base and give it a lot of pressure to hold it onto the top of the pot. Now once it's attached nice and firmly, we want to moisten it, but only a very little amount. You don't want water running down the sides and pooling in this connection area, or your lid might get stuck to your base. So you need to be very conservative with your water use here. Now I'm centering, but I'm doing a very miniature version of it. My left fingers are still the stabilizers, and my right fingers are still doing all the work, pushing the clay towards the center of the wheel. And once you've got that nicely centered in just a column, you can just take your right middle finger and push in to make a stem. And once you've got a stem, you can just pinch the top a little bit to pull it out to make a knob. And let that dry slowly so that the connection can become very secure and it doesn't crack off as it dries.